Another tip I can provide on getting the best results when negotiating is to try and negotiate on multiple properties at any given time. And again, I'll admit this is a lot easier said than done. It can be quite difficult to have multiple properties at any given time that tick all the boxes and you like the look of and are ready to negotiate on. But if possible, it makes the process that much easier. It enables you to detach and look at the process, a little bit more removed rather than being emotionally intertwined with the hope of getting the property. When you're buying for investment purposes, it can be a little bit easier to be a bit more commercial about it and find multiple properties that tick all the boxes. It's a little bit harder to do when you're buying for owner-occupier purposes, but it can give you a distinct advantage to be looking at multiple properties and negotiating on them at any given time.